How to find keyboard shortcuts in VS Code. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find keyboard shortcuts in Visual Studio Code. In order to do so, first of all, open your VS Code application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this homepage. Now here you will need to use the keys of your keyboard to open the keyboard shortcuts editor. If you are using the Windows or Linux, then you will need to simply press Ctrl plus K plus Ctrl plus S. Once you do so, you will be able to see the keyboard shortcuts editor where you can search, view and customize the shortcuts. Or if you are using the MacBook or the Mac OS, you will need to press Command plus K, Command plus S in order to open the keyboard shortcuts. Now here you can scroll down to find the one you're looking for. You may also customize it further based on your preference. In case if you are not able to use this method, then you can also open the command palette. For that, you will need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus P key from your keyboard, and then at the top you'll be able to see this pop-up. Also, if you are using the MacBook or Mac OS, then you will need to press Command plus Shift plus P in order to access the command palette. Now in the search bar here, type in keyboard shortcuts. Once you enter this keyword, you'll be able to see Preferences, Open Keyboard Shortcuts. Once you find it, simply click on it and then you will be presented with this keyboard shortcut. This helps you to quickly access the shortcut settings. So by following these steps, you should be able to find keyboard shortcuts in Visual Studio Code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.